And here we have the DopeMirrors, which I received directly from Poland. think, man, they look pretty amazing. I was even able to keep this rubber protection for the rain, for the water. Everything fits perfectly. I will turn this Chiji remote control. The visibility, honestly, it's way much better, has increased significantly with these mirrors. There's more to see on the side, on the back side, like you see here, see behind right ahead. I'm using quite a lot, quite often, the mirrors while riding because let's face it, in the city traffic, but not only, it's very important when you stop or when you suddenly stop, you first need to check what's behind you, because the car could be too close or the vehicle behind you could be too close. And honestly, in combo with the Chiji, which has a blind spot detection system, and with the mirrors, I strongly believe that I've increased the safety, the riding safety now. It's way much better visibility behind me, much more to see in the mirror, and of course, in terms of adjustability, you have a 360 possibility to adjust your mirrors accordingly to your bike. So it fits absolutely custom made. You adjust them, you have plenty of adjustments to do. The fabric, it's very strong, it's very reliable, it's metal, and yeah, it looks amazing. Something else which I like, it's because I'm riding off-road, in case of fall, left or right side, the mirrors will bend from this 360 bolts which are moving. So I think they are much stronger. They look much stronger than the the OM, the original mirrors, but anyway, they will fold in case you put the bike left or right during an off-road riding, and in this way they will be more protected. You will be able to ride again after you fall on left or right side, or you just drop the bike. You may just drop the bike, which happens off-road. Now let's check the DopeMirrors website, which is DopeMirrors.com. We will see more features presented in the website. We have maximum strength due to reinforced nylon, minimum vibrations, enhanced vibration suspension, premium quality, every detail matters. As you saw on the unboxing video, the quality, it's indeed premium, and they offer a lifetime warranty for the mirrors. The DopeMirrors have lifetime warranty, which I think it's a strong argument when it comes to its premium quality. The mirrors are built for adventure. They are designed to withstand the toughest off-road conditions while maintaining a sleek and functional look. The installation was very easy, hassle-free setup for all adventure bikes, as you saw on the video. Rugged and reliable, crafted with high-quality materials to provide maximum durability on any terrain. They have a minimalistic design, maximum performance engineered with real adventure riders in mind. They will fit any bike, so no matter the bike you have, these mirrors will fit your bike definitely. I also like their motto, see behind, ride ahead. Very interesting choice for the motto. The DopeMirrors, they ship worldwide. No matter where your adventure takes you, they will get your mirrors delivered to you. You can also check their Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube account. And what is very interesting as well, it's the story of Pavel. You can write its story, because it's always about people, no matter the brand, no matter the products. The people are the ones which are important at the end, and I spoke with Pavel regarding the mirrors, and you can read its story on the DopeMirrors website. Here are some very nice pictures of Pavel riding the motorcycle. So DopeMirrors, a brand which I'm very honored to have on my bike. I'm very honored to have the DopeMirrors on my bike. I look forward to ride them in many conditions.